Hey guys, this is Sam from Touchmi. Normally at this point I introduce Aaron as well. It's just going to be me, so please excuse if the video is a little shaky. We've built a new aluminum podium, and we wanted to show that real quick, but while we're at it, we're going to just show you around the shop at some of the stuff we got here. The camera's not so good, but that's actually a 45-inch LLP rear projection screen on the wall there. Previous videos, you've also seen that we've got a rear projected LLP 100-inch screen here. As most of you can recognize, that is CCV up there. This is, of course, just said it's lazed out, it's LLP, but it's extremely accurate, really great response. And here is our aluminum podium. Let me get that turned back on. Okay, so sorry about that. That's why it's better to have Aaron around. But anyway, it's a aluminum design. Our initial design was to create more of a kind of a permanent design where we wanted to give the rear of the screen and the front of the screen, give them both, really good, rear and front stanchions for stability. We have seen some of the more portable builds out there, which we are going to be also designing a portable build. But for our first off, we really wanted to just build a really super sturdy frame. So you can see here, it's got support all the way up from the front and the back. We wanted to do that because we needed a surefire solution that if somebody bumped into this, because we expect this to be kind of in a more high traffic area, if somebody bumped into it, it wasn't going to bump the image around, or it wasn't going to bump, the projector and whatnot and stuff. So we've built it for it to be rugged. And we've just about kicked this thing down the street, flipped it back on, and we maintain a great picture and great calibration. We wanted a turnkey solution where one button turns on everything, and we are currently working on that. So in preparation for that, of course, naturally, we have a short throw projector here that of course turns on and off by an IR remote. But we also have a Mac Mini here that we've boot camped and put Windows 7 on. It too, as you can see, the little black dot there can take infrared, and we are most likely going to take an Arduino and we are going to copy the on and off signals for the IR and have the Arduino push a where we can use a single button on the Arduino and it will turn both devices on. So now we'll have a single button, one turnkey solution, turns everything on. The original setup that we had here was LLP, worked really well, but we wanted to give some touch frames a try. So you can see the black frame here. We will be giving a full review of the frame in a video that's going to be coming up shortly, but it's a ZagTech frame. It's a 6-touch frame. Touchmi definitely likes how accurate it is, and it can be used in just about any lighting condition. We're pretty pleased with it. We will be trying some of the other frames here shortly, but for our first go, we really like this one. Haven't seen any shortfalls of it yet. It only uses one single USB out. And it does pretty well. The rear projection film that we're using is from a company called ICE AV. It's called Hollow Contra M. It gives you super high contrast. You can't really tell on this camera phone, but trust me, the picture that I'm seeing is, it's fantastic. It's full 1080p because of the projector, and it just looks awesome. And it does really well. There's no hot spot where the projector is or anything like that. It just looks great. So we just wanted to give you guys a quick run around on the frame that we've got. Super stable, everything works great. The touching is, right on the money. It's very accurate. We can go ahead and see it get Angry Birds going. I mean, Why not? You spend thousands of dollars trying to build something like this, and then you put Angry Birds on it. So, but anyway, let me turn that sound off. But it's very, very extremely rugged and extremely accurate. We've been able to move it around and just been able to turn it on and just go working on it. So, you know, that's our first one. Stay tuned. We are going to be making a portable one. The great thing about these designs is that they are scalable. So we are able to make larger ones or smaller ones. It doesn't really matter. And so far we're pretty happy with it. So we just wanted to give you guys an update. Y'all take care. See you later.